So here we are, Judith. We have your first fit model coming in.
Mhm.
And so far, so good. She's fit into how many of your designs?
She already fit in 3. Yeah.
So what do you think of Judith as the designer? What do you think of her designs?
I think she really good.
Yeah?
Because like when you look like dress up like this, it will look pretty.
Do a twirl. Do a spin.
Wow. So how do you feel? You feel like a princess?
And we're gonna have a petticoat under that. It's gonna make it poofy.
Oh, I know.
Yes, there's going to be another piece under it, so it's even going to be puffier. And you fit in, she fits in your shoe size too. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
So it's great. So yeah, this is good. You know your team. All right, Judith.